Italy. Wait till your family jumps. So book a flight, go to Rome. Take some selfies in the dome.
That's not fragile. It's all wet. Hey everybody, welcome back to Adventures with the Cotronio. So we just wanted to give you an update on one of the clips you saw in our latest video on when we ordered one of the artwork pieces on the Disney Treasure at the Art on Demand on the ship. So if you guys tuned into our video, I believe it was embarkation day 1, you saw the little clip of the process of me ordering the artwork on the kiosk, and this is the process afterwards after it's delivered at home. So now we're gonna get to the unboxing. We're gonna Alessandro to carefully cut the tape and reveal the beautiful treasure that's under there. So Alessandro, let's go, buddy. So while he does that, we're gonna be replacing Venice here, and we're gonna be putting that there. So Venice is gonna be moving somewhere else. Sorry, Venice. So it's nicely, carefully packaged, which is a good thing, because the box wasn't too clean and too a little bit wet, so I was a little worried there. But yeah, pretty excited about this. So we'll show you the review after Alessandro takes off all the packaging. Okay, folks, so here's the big reveal. Look at that. Wow. There's the up. Pretty impressed. So in case you guys are wondering, because there's not a lot of videos out there, this is the large. Yeah, pretty pricey for a large, but this is the large. Currently on the Treasure, the one on display is the large, so at least you'll get a better understanding. I did have one of the cast members measure it. You can also get them to measure any of the other ones that are on display, just to get a better idea. So that's one of our pro tip when you're on the ship. And then you can go from there. At least, again, better to see because it's hard on the kiosk.
Pics of the damage to the frame, luckily. Disney is sending us a replacement. Pro tip: if damaged, Disney will send you a replacement. So not to worry.
And you can get it on canvas or you get it on print. We got it on canvas because we just think that the colors pop more and it's just more elegant. So I would recommend it on canvas, just so that you guys know what you're looking at here. We just wanted to show you a little bit of the details on the frame here. So you got scuttles, you got I think that's one of the stingrays from Dory. You got the turtle, but I believe it's from Dory, right, Charlie? You got the Up. You got Luca. You got Tinkerbell in the corner there. Of course, we got Peter Pan and Captain Hook dueling it out. And you got all the theming that is on the Disney Treasure. So anything that you saw on the Disney Treasure is in this rendering. So it's good to, take a look back and like we're doing and build on the memories. Right now we can just see, where we were walking. So this is an amazing layout of the entire ship. You got the atrium there. You got the concierge rooms. You got a gym. You got all this whole section with Coco and Plaza de Coco. You got the Rose. You got Paulo. You got a lot of the lounges like Periscope Pub. You got the Walt Disney Theater right here. The rooms, of course. And then, of course, on deck 11 up there, you got the amazing ride Aqua Mouse. And one little detail that I just saw now when I brought this home. Right there, if you can see on the screen, you got Captain, Mickey, and Minnie. So those are the cool little details that the more and more you look at this frame, the more and more you can see the artwork that Disney puts into a lot of their frames and their artwork around the ship. So if you want to own any of their artwork on the ship, again, you can go down to Art on Demand kiosk. Check out our channel. I give a brief description on how to order from A to Z, and like and subscribe if you like our content. It's a pretty easy process. It doesn't take more than 10 minutes to do. You set it up on the kiosk, you choose your frame, choose your size, you put it in your info. Message gets sent to Mickey Mainsail. Complete the transaction there. They verify the information. You got a tracking on your receipt, and you're good to go. Pro tip for the Adventures of the Contronios: do not wait till the last sale day, because it does tend to get busy at Mickey's Mainsail. And do not do it on the first day. The first day and the last day are the two busiest days on the ship at Mickey's Mainsail, because people are going to get merch the day one, and people are trying to grab last minute items on day 7. So with that and the Adventures of the Contronios, we're gonna hang this up on our wall. Enjoy the memories that we made on the Disney Treasure. Like and subscribe. Check out our channel. We'll see you again.